Today, a few state leaders coming together to talk about child care reform. This comes on the heels of allegations of fraud at daycare centers in Minnesota.
10 TV's Kristen McFarland joins us live at the State House. Kristen, what can you tell us about this?
Yeah, we just heard from state leaders introducing new legislation that they say will protect taxpayer dollars from fraud. State Representative Josh Williams and Attorney General Dave Yost introduced the Child Care Fraud Prevention Act.
This legislation has a very simple premise. If the government is taking money from Ohio taxpayers and using it to fund child care, the government has a moral and legal obligation to protect that money and protect the children tied to those state funds.
The bill's most significant change would require all publicly funded daycare centers to install cameras to verify attendance inside classrooms, with private areas excluded. I asked Representative Williams whether parents might be uncomfortable with their children being recorded.
As we talk about having live cameras for parents who might be worried about not wanting their kids to be on camera or that they are getting hacked, what safety protocols will be in place?
We're not asking for you to provide 24 access of video to DCY where it could potentially be hacked. We want, when DCY makes a determination, either there's an allegation or they say it's time for our, an unannounced attendance inspection of child care provider X. We look on our portal. As of right now, there are 8 children registered to be in this classroom. Let's turn on the camera and see if there's 8 children present.
Last week, Governor Mike DeWine said Ohio takes child care fraud seriously and that multiple safeguards are already in place to prevent it.
We have uncovered fraud. Some of that we've done with inspections, unannounced inspections. In other cases, it's come, frankly, from tips from people in the state of Ohio. So we encourage people, if they're seeing something that they think is wrong, or that they have any evidence in regard to fraud that's going on in any place in government, we want to hear about it.
Now, there are 5,200 publicly funded child care centers here in Ohio that serve more than 100,000 children every day. Right now, the bill has not yet been assigned to a committee. Reporting live from the State House, Kristen McFarland, 10 TV News.